So YouTube is hard, but medical school is harder, and then combining both of them is going to make you go poof like hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to lie, I'm really tired. I'm not high on energy today. I'm just really tired because it has not been so long since I got back from school, but I have to do this video for you guys because a few of you have asked me this question once or twice, so here goes nothing. Okay, welcome back to another chit chat video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how I am able to combine YouTube and school. Okay, I've gotten that question a lot of times, or a little more than a few times. Let me not say a lot of times, like I have so many people that comment, but I've gotten that question I've been asked that question a little more than a few times, so I'll just be answering you guys in this video. But before that, if you're new here, hello, my name is Precious and you are absolutely welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like my type of content. Check my channel, I have really fun videos and energetic videos as well. So if you like me, I like you too. Please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again to watch me on this channel. You guys are my OGs. You guys are the reasons why you are the reason it's because of you guys that I'm always coming here to sit in front of the camera and film content. Okay, so thank you so much for the love, for the support, for the feedback. I love you guys and God bless you for me. Okay, YouTube is a hard side hustle. In fact, it is hard on its own, not to talk of combining it with medical school that is also hard on its own. Okay, so YouTube is hard, but medical school is harder, and then combining both of them is going to make you go poof like you're going to be so stuck up on deadlines, you'll be so tired, sometimes you just lose motivation. Like in the past couple of weeks, I've been having creator's block. I've not been having motivation to film anything or to edit anything. I just wanted to just take a break off YouTube, but you know the algorithm will punish you for that. If you take a break off YouTube, when you come back, the algorithm will punish you by not recommending your videos to anybody anymore. You basically have to come back and start from scratch because you left them. Okay, YouTube does not like it when you stop posting. So once you stop posting, the algorithm will punish you and you have to come back and start afresh. So I've just been posting. I've not really been putting so much effort into what I've been posting in these past few weeks. I've not been posting gym content like I usually post. You know, I always putting all my energy and all my effort into my content, but recently I've just been posting videos just so that my channel does not die out. Okay, I've just been posting anyhow videos just so that it will be that I have been posting every week and my channel will not just crash. But anyways, YouTube is hard because you have to be consistent. Okay, you have to be consistent, and once you start, there's no going back. Once you upload your first video, you have to be consistent from then onwards. So before you even think of starting YouTube as a student or as anybody at all, because YouTube on its own is hard, so before you start a YouTube channel, you have to be sure that this is what you want to do and that you're going to be able to do it, because it requires dedication, persistence, patience, consistency, and mind work. Okay, it requires a lot of brain work and brain capacity, because it's not easy to come up with content and then bring it to realization, like bring it to reality. Okay, so it takes a lot to be a YouTuber. Don't just sit like we just put up our camera. We content creators just put up our camera and just film anything and then just do cut and join and put it out there. No. So how I'm able to combine YouTube and school? First off, I'm going to be talking about this under 3 different headings. Okay, 3 different headings, and the first one is mindset. You actually have to have the right mindset for this, because I mean, you have to have the correct things in mind to keep you going. Okay, first off, you have to know why you started. Why did you start? What was your motivation to even start in the first place? What was your reason for starting? Is it because of the passion you had for it, or because you just like to be in front of the camera, or because it's a hobby, or you started because you wanted to impact lives and help people, assist people with the information you have to put out there, or because you want to entertain people? You know, you just have to have the reason why you started in the first place at the back of your mind at all times. And once you keep thinking about, oh, I started because of this and I cannot stop, it will keep you going. Okay, and then after that, you also have to have the end result that you are expecting. Okay, you started because you wanted to impact lives, but then what do you stand to gain in return? you get? What is your end goal for starting? You are imparting to others. What do you intend to achieve? Is it popularity? Is it the fame? Is it the money? Is it the recognition? Is it the happiness that it gives you? Okay, the happiness is already enough, is enough validation for you to keep going. Do you get? Then the second heading is time management. Okay, you have to be able to manage your time, and this is the basis of everything. This is the core, the center, the core of everything, because as a student you have to be able to allocate your time properly. Okay, time management is so essential. You have to set your priorities right, and definitely school comes before YouTube. School comes before YouTube, because YouTube will always be there, but then you will not always be in school. Okay, you can always be on YouTube if you like, but you cannot always be in school, because you always have a limited time to summarize whatever you want to do and summarize it well. So you have to have priorities, like set your school before your YouTube, and then allocate time to each task. I mean, plan your week, plan your day. Okay, plan your content ideas, plan how you're going to execute them, when you film, when you edit, when you read, when you study, when you do your group discussion. Just allocate your time and then have it at the back of your mind, or you write it down on paper for easy remembrance. Okay, if you're quick to forget, so that you don't get carried away, you can write it down on paper and paste it somewhere, so that you'll be seeing it koro with your 2 eyes, so that you will not lose track of time or get carried away. Okay, if you find yourself choosing more of school over YouTube, then you have to grab any and every opportunity you see to film content, like I'm doing now. I'm just coming back from school, and I just felt like, oh, instead of just lying down to sleep, or let me just come here and film this video real quick. So that's me grabbing that opportunity of time and using it to create content. So instead of whiling away time to watch movie during your spare time, instead of watching movies during your spare time, or just gisting about things that don't matter, take that time to film content and edit. Okay, because of you have your goal in mind, you have what you're trying to achieve. Because right now I'm trying to achieve my watch hours. Okay, I'm trying to achieve my watch hours, and I know that every week I go without posting is going to affect my watch hours. So when I remember that I have my watch hours at stake, I'll always be motivated to come up and just film something, so that my watch hours will just be adding. Do you get? Down to the last heading, that is help. Okay, you do need a lot of help with being a content creator and also being a student. Okay, you need help because YouTube is costly and time consuming, so you need help from your elders with data. Data money is not a joke. Okay, data na your mates. You need like 2 gigabytes to upload one video, and 2 gig, calculate it in your calculator. You're gonna see that is actually, if you upload twice a week, you need 4 gig to upload a week, and that's a lot of money. Okay, so you definitely need all the help that you can get. You need help with your studies as well, because if you are not understanding what you are reading, you will not have time to film content, or you will not have the zeal or the vibe to film content. So if you're not understanding what you're reading, you ask for help, so that somebody can help you explain it to you, and you understand it and move on, and then create some spare time for your content creation. Do you get? So basically, being a YouTuber and being a student requires a lot of help. Also, you need help from colleagues, from your YouTube colleagues, with content ideas. Okay, you need content ideas from your colleagues, from people that are bigger than you in the field. You need help from the internet as well. Okay, just go online, search for content ideas. You also need help from your classmates. Yes, because I mean, how am I filming school content or school vlogs, and my classmates are not involved in the vlogs? Okay, so you have to create a connection or communication pathway between you and your classmates, so that they can feature in your vlogs and make it nice. Okay, you have to be involving in your vlogs. You have to involve as many people as possible. Involve your school friends, your classmates. Making this sweet, make the vlog this sweet, make your content this sweet. Okay, I've been planning to invite more of my classmates to come and talk on the channel, but it's just that we're in medical school, fam, and everybody's busy. Okay, even if everybody's not busy, everybody's gonna form busy for you. Everybody's gonna form like they don't have time, and you can't blame them, because even me, whenever I want to film content, sometimes I'm always feeling guilty, like these 2 hours I'm using to edit this thing, for use and read something though. So before you find people that will actually cut out time to come and film content with you, they really like you. Okay, or they understand your hustle. They must really like you to come out and film. But anyways, I'll work on it, and I'll bring more people to the channel. Anybody you grab, drag them to the channel, let them film content. Anyhow na content. You get? Also, most importantly, you need help from God, because you always have to dedicate anything that you're doing into the hands of God. So ask God to help you, because it's only God that can help you make your video go make your video go viral so that you can get your required watch hours and then monetize your channel and start making the money from it. Okay, so every day I pray for my channel. Every time I remember, I always pray for my channel. So you need help from God, and there's also God that'll give you ideas on how to, you know, better your content and how to make your content sweet and entertaining. You get? So anyways, you need all the help you can get. Last so I don't know if I've been able to make sense in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, or you guys enjoyed hearing me ramble. Anyways, I'm tired. I am tired, and I need to take off these clothes and take my bath and then get onto my night reading. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video up until this point. I really do appreciate you. God bless you for me. Please don't forget to give this video a like and then subscribe, comment, share this video to your friends that you feel like they are struggling with YouTube and schooling. It will really help them a lot. Okay, so all right guys, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself. I love you. Bye. My mouth is paining me and my throat is dry. How do I take this thumbnail? Like my head is like, oh my god, like, oh shit, I'm going through it. Midlife crisis, like it joke with my neck. Oh my god. It's